That will be good picture, right? I'm on the top of the boat, and well, there is the Serangan Island. There is the port, what we are talking about, and there is little view of the city, of the town. Never been here, to be honest. It's pretty cool. Oh, what's up, world? We come back to the South Bali, to civilization today after 4 days of adventure in the West Bali. Actually, right now we are in Tanjung, Benoa, and just behind me over there, where you see the big ship, is the Bali harbor in Benoa.
Okay guys, so if you are thinking that where we are now, and then I will just show you behind me, that's the Benoa harbor, right? And then Tol Bali Mandara, and then we just go there, and aha, we just come here to now. This spot is called Tanjung Benoa. Well, actually this area still belongs to Nusa Dua, so if we are out from here, you will see that there are so many hotels, so many resorts with the beachfront views, and also Tanjung Benoa is famous for the water sport. And I think that on the left side, on the right side, is also famous for the turtle sanctuary in Tanjung Benoa.
So here is so many fisherman boats, also some speedboat, and there was something about the sports. And there, can you see this guy over there? I will zoom it a little bit for you. This is the sign of the water sports, and also over there, very far behind, is Serangan Island. And well, meanwhile, this is the local vibe at the end of Tanjung Benoa. Just everything in this direction, they are hotels, but this is like still local houses, people living around. And also, if a low tide, there is the island, and somewhere there, as Winnie said, is sanctuary of the turtles, right?
Yeah, turtle sanctuary. So now we will explore more about the, Tanjung Benoa in the local side, where the locals living and everything. And we will not go to the hotel and showing you how's the hotel. For sure, the hotels in Tanjung Benoa is, if we compare with the BTDC Nusa Dua complex, Tanjung Benoa hotel is really, more quiet if we compare with the other area in Nusa Dua.
So this is like just behind the hotels, but this is fisherman village. Little bit like Injinbaran, but different. Anyway, very local still, very local. If you are looking for local vibes close by Nusa Dua, let's say, Benoa, you can make it. Here is very close by actually. And so many boats everywhere. There is some plane landing, guys. Is that you? Abandoned catamaran, and actually so many leftover boats here, which is sad. Harbor is actually very close from here, and yeah, little vibe, very local. You will not expect this very local vibe so close to Nusa Dua like this one, isn't it? So we move a little bit in different area, but still in Tanjung Benoa, local vibes, as you see everywhere behind me. So many local people. Here supposed to be some dive center or something like that. Many local dive centers and water sports. Here supposed to be some restaurant, cafe, I believe so. And also very interesting fact, I didn't even know, as there is the big Chinese Buddhist temple. So very interesting fact, and many interesting things in Tanjung Benoa. Okay, let's have a coffee somewhere, yeah? So many abundant things here. Actually, maybe doesn't look that attractive, but I believe it was attractive some time ago. Here, like a seafood specialist, something nice. Also little marina, I could say, or something like that around. We arrived to some open restaurant here. They even have a ship at the roof of the cafe. Let's see what is around here.
Okay guys, so why we are here, actually, like this morning I read one interesting article about the government plan, which is Bali to launch the biggest cruise port in Indonesia. It says, based on the balisun.com, it says that the central government has announced that Bali will be the biggest cruise port in Indonesia. And then the state-owned enterprise minister Erick Thohir confirmed that the central government would develop the Bali Maritime Tourism Hub to revive Bali's economy. And this project will be located in the Benoa port area, behind me over there, in the southern Bali, where the government also plans to develop a yacht terminal, a cargo terminal, and a fishery zone. Mr. Eric also said we plan to allow only local goods such as food and handicrafts in BMTH to give the local people an opportunity to thrive. This program is expected to start operation in 2023, next year. So does it mean that international tourism will be open next year?
At least there is plans for the marina, right?
Yes, so it says like this program is expected to start operation in 2023 as Indonesia's center of maritime tourism.
Check this out, this area, especially this fisherman boat. Ooh, old but very nice, I really like it. And also here is the guy on jet ski. Ooh, not so bad at all. And also, as the Winnie said about the development of marina, which will be in Benoa, Tanjung, Benoa, there behind me is Serangan Island, and right now 3/4 of Serangan Islands are private owned. That's already like back to 2017, I guess, this transaction was made. And there will be huge project also. It's very close by Sanur, by the way, if you are not familiar. And we don't know exactly what's gonna be. I spent a lot of time to looking for information. So only I know it's gonna be opera inside, and there will be something very fancy. Right now, if you're gonna go there, there is only huge construction site, and their roads are made already. But that's it. So maybe next year, 2 years later, we will know something more. So a lot of changes in the area over there. By the way, this boat is very nice, but very loud at the same time. And it's pretty nice, actually. I never been here. I didn't expect this is the place like this in this part of Benoa. So you see, every day you can learn something new. Little local vibe here. This is like a town of Tanjung, Benoa. Local vibe. Here, Chinese or Buddhist temple. Actually, I'm confused. It's Chinese or Buddhist? I think it's the same, right?
Okay, so if this is in Tanjung Benoa, that is famous for the boats, fisherman boat, and look at to the gods here in the Chinese Buddhist temple. They have also, I can say, the special god for the fisherman. Okay guys, so I can hear Balinese gamelan actually around here, and this one is actually the market, the Tanjung Benoa market. Okay, so this is just like the market, the traditional market. Like in the morning there will be like people selling the veggies, fresh fruit and everything. So yeah, unfortunately it's closed in the afternoon. So yeah, you see, very nice, the local vibe in Tanjung Benoa. Can you hear that? So this is how the Balinese Hindus and also the Chinese Buddhists, their temple, they live in harmony. Okay, so behind me, if you can hear me, this is the obo-obo. So cool. So this is how the local vibes behind the tourism center in Tanjung Benoa. As you see that people here enjoying their life, and behind me beautiful catamaran, and then the local fishermen. And yeah, this is how it is, live in peace and harmony from Tanjung Benoa, Nusa Dua. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.